Good afternoon. My name is Adriane Estes. I'm a computer information systems major at University of Houston Clear Lake. Today's presentation will discuss how Oracle Corporation, an enterprise software company, supports and integrates open source software projects to help businesses analyze big data. This presentation will introduce Oracle Corporation and their business challenges, explain how using proprietary software can add value to a business, and finally, talk about the creative ways that Oracle has enhanced their services by integrating open source options. Oracle Corporation is an enterprise software publishing company that specializes in providing software and services to help businesses monitor their operations and analyze data. In 1977, Oracle was founded by two computer programmers, Lawrence J. Ellison and Robert N. Miner, who resumed work on abandoned databases for the CIA. Today, Oracle is a Fortune 500 company that is 122,000 employees strong, with a total revenue of over $38 billion. According to the North American Industry Classification System, Oracle ranked 5th in the top 5 software publishers for 2014. Oracle offers a variety of software solutions for businesses. A quick look at their website shows results ranging from mobile software platforms to business analytics, as well as software tailored to many areas of industry, including petroleum, healthcare, and even travel and transportation. It's clear from their current product list that Oracle's core competency is database management systems, or DBMS software. However, with changes in how businesses gather, store, and analyze data, Oracle has had to adapt to its customers' needs in order to remain successful. The need for data storage is growing at an exponential rate. What was once manageable with filing cabinets or through small teams of database analysts has grown into what is now called big data. Before we go any further, I think it's important to pause and give a brief explanation of big data for my audience members that may not be familiar with the term. The simple definition of big data is, quote, datasets with volumes so huge that they are beyond the ability of typical DBMS to capture, store, and analyze, end quote. You may be wondering, just how big are these datasets? The size of the database may vary, but businesses with data collections large enough to be considered big data have storage and analytic needs that are measured well beyond standard terabytes. Nowadays, petabytes, exabytes, and even zettabytes of storage are needed. There are many fun, creative comparisons online to help people understand how large these datasets are. But one of my favorites explains that if the average MP3 lasts 4 minutes, then 1 petabyte of music would play continuously for 2,000 years. In comparison, a zettabyte of music would play for over 2 billion years. Now, imagine trying to find one part of your favorite song within that dataset. This is why corporations need scalable, affordable options for collecting, storing, and analyzing data. Without help from computers, it's simply no longer efficient or realistic for people to search for specific pieces of information within such large collections. Next, let's talk about how proprietary software can actually save businesses money. Oracle Corporation is a proprietary software company. It sells software to customers under its brand name and licensing. There are free open source alternatives available such as Apache's Hadoop, but these are merely frameworks that allow companies to build their own information systems. While it may appear that choosing a free open source alternative will automatically save businesses money, it's important to remember that data is valuable and should be protected. One drawback of using only open source software is that the burden of securing and protecting data typically falls entirely on the businesses that use it. To help businesses keep their data secure, Oracle and other software publishers provide an extra layer of protection through routine software updates. Losing data through a security breach is not only embarrassing, it can be very costly. Another reason to choose licensed software over an open source alternative is that the cost of programming, technical support, and hardware can easily exceed the cost of the software, especially if the data infrastructure is stored in-house instead of on a cloud-based server. Reducing startup time and costs allows businesses to get to work faster. Oracle offers cloud-based services and technical support for their customers, which may reduce a business's programming costs, need for in-house support, and can also save space. It's a common misconception that proprietary and open source software companies are automatically market competitors by default. In Rolf Winkler's article, Elephant Threat to Big Tech, Winkler calls Hadoop a, quote, threat to database heavyweights like Oracle, end quote, and claims that the open source startups will slow the growth of the larger software publishers. There may be some truth to that claim, but Oracle is surprisingly supportive of open source solutions. In 2010, Oracle began offering its open source relational database system MySQL. MySQL is still one of the most popular RDBMS programs in the world. MySQL isn't only popular because it's free, it's scalable, which means it can grow as a business accrues data. For businesses that enjoy the security of licensed software but also like the high level of customization that an open source framework provides, Oracle created a software platform called Oracle Big Data Appliance. Oracle Big Data Appliance is a combination of hardware and software, and Cloudera's Chief Operating Officer Kurt Dunn praised Oracle by saying, quote, Oracle has put together a very comprehensive product that is priced very well, end quote. Of course, the Oracle Big Data Appliance comes with features that are exclusive to the platform, such as Oracle Big Data SQL. This is a software architecture that allows traditional SQL and the newer NoSQL databases to be integrated. Integrating open source and proprietary options is a winning move for everyone. Teams of programmers create open source projects in their spare time. Sponsorships and a cafe press shop fund Hadoop, one of the most popular big data analytic programs in use today. Aligning with a larger software corporation such as Oracle can bring innovative technology to businesses with less security risk and more credibility by adding a recognizable name. In turn, this can provide better funding and allow open source projects to flourish, bringing more interest to the project and fresh ideas over time. A look into Oracle's history and current product line has revealed that the company's core competency is database management systems. In order to survive in a market that is transitioning into cloud-based storage and big data applications, Oracle must adapt to their customers' needs. Open source solutions are growing in popularity due to their low cost and high level of flexibility, but they don't always offer the same types of built-in security and support as proprietary software companies. By developing their own open source programs such as MySQL and creating platforms that allow their customers to use a combination of software to best suit their business needs, Oracle has found a way to give their customers the best of both options. Based on the information presented in this report, it is very likely that Oracle will continue integrating open source alternatives and will remain a successful software publisher. I hope that you enjoyed this presentation. If you have any questions, suggestions, or corrections, please, I'd love to hear from you. Email me at estesa9372@uhcl.edu. The following slide lists the sources used in this presentation in CSE citation sequence format.